Namaskar. I welcome you all to this Facebook Live on techniques of meditation. This is a series of talk on meditation techniques. These meditation techniques are given in the ancient scriptures which are more than 5000 years old. There are 112 such techniques. It is said that there is no human being who could not resonate with any one of these techniques. And they have not found out the 113th technique. It is so beautiful, it is so all encompassing. So we will pass through all these techniques. I will introduce you to them. The point where you think that this technique is resonating me, this is the technique of my meditation, you stop there and continue your journey. You need not go till the end. Okay. Now I will start with a little bit of theoretical background, and then we will start with the first technique today. What is the aim of meditation? To get that, let me request you to do a few things. Imagine that there is a small little child, and you look into the eyes of that child. When you look into the eyes of that child, what do you find there? You find wonder. He's looking left, right, center. In wonder, he's looking at the world. There is no judgment. There is no good. There is no bad. There is no heat, cold, nothing. He's simply observing everything in absolute wonder and curiosity. Feel that feeling of the child, of wonderment. Now, imagine a mother carrying her newborn baby in her lap and looking at that mother, at that child. The love with which the mother looks at the child, Vatsalya, it is of the highest and purest quality. Everything in the world drops down. It is only the love of the child being sprayed through her eyes. It is only the love of the mother being sprayed on the child through her eyes. That is love. Now, you combine this love of mother in her eyes and wonder in the eyes of the child. Combine both of them and then look at the world around you. How beautiful is this world? Everything is symmetric, everything is in place. There is not a speck of dust anywhere. There is nothing that can disturb you. It is the love and it is the wonder. You've combined these two things. With this combination of joy moving up, small little bubbles of joy moving up from this point into your head and bursting all over the head. You will feel. Imagine instead of these small bubbles of joy, the joy is with you throughout. Your entire real estate out here is lit up with white light, giving you that immense joy which is nourishing the body also. Touching that joy is the aim of meditation. We can touch that joy just like that. But it happens once in trillions and millions of years to some few. But if we touch that, and to touch that joy, Kal Bhairavi Tantra has given these 112 techniques. Everyone has got his own set of Rajas, Tamas and Sattvic gun in his head. Sattvic is positive, move up. Rajas is passion, control the world, and tamas is inertia, darkness, to stop. Everyone has got different proportion of these three. Based on this proportion, some technique will appeal to every person. And this entire process has only 112 ways. Someone will appeal to you. We will touch these 112 techniques in various sessions. Every Saturday, we will introduce a new technique, repeat that on a Sunday, and based on the feedback, we might start it on a Wednesday, or otherwise we will continue on every Saturday. One Saturday, every technique. Okay, so let us start with the first technique. To do that, bring your hands close to each other and rub them very softly. Feel the touch of left hand onto your right hand and the right hand onto your left hand. And then touch the index finger with the thumb. The pressure of the finger and the thumb should be equal. And then very slowly keep both your hands, palms facing upwards, in your lap or on your knees. And then we will now close our eyes. I will continue to open my eyes because I have to look into the camera. You please close your eyes. I will tell you when to open. And now, please, before closing, as we close the eyes, you disconnect yourself from the world. Absolute disconnection with everyone. No phone call, no doorbell, no worry of what is going to happen tomorrow, what the breakfast will be, what the dinner will be, what happened yesterday, what is in the news, what is happening across the world. Absolute disconnection. Take out the plug. Now we are diving inside. And this dive inside is where we want to go and touch that bliss, which is a combination of love of mother and wonder of a child. We want to touch that. So we close our eyes very slowly, and 50%, 70%, 90, 99, 100%. Both the eyes are closed now. Take a deep breath and exhale. Long deep breath in, long deep breath out. And imagine all the dust or the mud particles which were in your head are settling down. Very slowly they are settling down. The mind is becoming clear. There are no attachments, no rag, no dvesh, no attachment, no aversion. We are focusing on our insight. Now we will do a deep breath. The first technique is to identify the gap between two breaths. That is the first technique. So just follow what I am, the way I am directing. Requested you to please follow that. When I say in, take a deep breath in and feel the air going right up to the bottom of your lungs. Then I will say 1 and count. Till the time I am counting, hold your breath. And then I say out, release your breath. First exercise, very simple. And mind you, all these 112 exercises are very simple. You will be amazed at their simplicity and the effect they have on the body. Okay. So I'll just give you an example. Don't do now, just listen to the example. I say in, 1, 2, 3, out. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, out. Okay, so now you can start with me. We will do it this way. When I say in, you take a deep breath in and feel the air going right up to the bottom of your lungs. Okay, let us start. In. 1, 2, 3, out. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, out. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, out. So when I was counting, you were focusing on counting only, and you are focusing on holding on to breath. I want you to add one element to it, that is your feelings. Add the feeling of joy when you are holding on to the breath. So to remind you, I will say joy. Joy, 1, 2, 3, that way. Okay, we start. In. Joy, 1, 2, 3, out. In. Joy, 1, 2, 3, 4, out. In. Joy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out. In. Joy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out. In. Joy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, out. Catch hold of your breath. Breathe normally. There was joy when there was a gap. You see, between a breathe in and breathe out, there is one point when neither breath comes in nor breath goes out. That point of no breath corresponds to no mind. And when there is no mind, the joy erupts. So our aim is to increase that part of no mind. The crack in the door needs to be opened. Okay, now we will do is, we have identified the point inside our body when the breath returns out. From out also it comes in. So let us place our palm in front of our nostrils and try to find out which is the, by blowing into our hand and feeling the air, let us find out that point where the air is not felt on the hand. Take a deep breath, exhale, and put your hand in front of your nostrils and see how long. It is somewhere between 9 to 12 fingers from your nose, from the point of your nostrils. So imagine that point. Now whatever we were doing inside, we will do outside also. Whatever was being done inside, we will do that outside also. So it will be in, long breath in, joy, 1, 2, 3, out, joy, 1 2 3, hold the breath outside, from joy to in. And when I say in, take a deep breath in. And when I say joy, 1 2 3, hold the breath inside till I say out. That is how we will proceed further now. Okay, we start. In, joy, 1 2 3, out. Joy, 1 2 3, in. Joy, 1 2 3 4, out. Joy, 1 2 3 4, in. Joy, 1 2 3 4 5, out. Joy, 1 2 3 4 5, in. Joy, 1 2 3 4 5 6, out. Joy, 1, out. Joy, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, in. Joy, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, out. Joy, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, in. So we've experienced joy at the inner changing, we've experienced joy at the outer changing. And one thing you would have realized, when we change the breath, the joy continues. From in, it climbs the breath out and continues, and then again starts from the other side, from outside. We hold it, the joy develops, and when we say in, it climbs the breath and comes in. So, with practice, slowly, we will reach a stage where joy is riding both the ends and the breath. The entire breath will be full of joy. We will start from outside, feel the joy being carried by breath in, stop, feel the joy, out, feel the joy, stop, feel the joy. And then this practice we can continue throughout the day. We have joy in us. We have joy in us on the entire breath. And now all external things that were giving us happiness have lost their significance. This is a paradigm shift, an absolute shift towards health, immunity, longevity. So we do one cycle in which we will let the joy climb the breath also. So we start from outside, in, joy, 1 2 3, out, joy, 1 2 3, in, joy, 1 2 3 4, out, joy, 1 2 3 4 5, in, joy, 1 2 3 4 5 6, out, joy, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, in, joy, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, out, joy, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So The joy is on the entire breath, from in to stopping in, to out to stopping out, to in to stop, to out, stopping out, then again in, again out. The entire cycle between two spots. One is the base of our lungs, and second is about 12 fingers out below our nostrils. The focus is on, first the focus is on the technique, and then the focus is on the feeling of joy. This is how we combine the joy with our meditation. You can practice this. This is the first technique of combining joy with your breath. And focus on the gap between the two breaths. The points where I was counting 1, 2, 3, 4. You can start with 1, go up to 8. There is no point in extending this beyond, because if you extend it beyond and you use some force, then the joy itself gets killed. Aim is to enjoy. In joy, enjoy, in joy, out joy, out joy, and then in and out both get dropped, and what we have is enjoy, only joy, only joy. We feel that point in our mind where there is no mind. We are touching that point which is a mother's love and a child's wonder. Mother's love and a child's wonder. The most purest kind of love is the mother's love, and the non-judgmental observation is the child's wonder. Drop all judgments, drop all sensations. What we all are, in the name of happiness, what we all follow or are doing is only exchange of sensations, sensationalized things coming to us as a surprise, and that surprise we say is our happiness. No, that is not a happiness, because that happiness will ask for more and more and more and more, and after some time the happiness will die down and only more and more and more and more will remain in our mind. Thus, these ancient sages and rishis who had experienced this. Now, this entire knowledge is an experiential knowledge. It is not a theoretical knowledge. This experiential knowledge they have shared in the forms of this ancient literature, and we have only done one technique today. We finish here, and in case there are any questions, please ask them. Tomorrow we will do another deep dive into this, in which we will go beyond the first technique. We have played the game to 3 levels. In this first technique there are 3 more levels. Questions today, we will share those. I will try to answer all those questions tomorrow before we start the session, and after that another 3 small baby steps to touch the joy. With this, we finish the entire session today. In case you have doubts, do let me know in any way, which way you can, on the Facebook, and those who know me on my WhatsApp, and we'll have a session tomorrow. Till that time, keep in mind love of mother, wonder of child, and the joy rides your breath. Start from the gap between the breaths. Namaskar. Dhanyavad.